I appreciate the opportunity given to me all the way from Nigeria, West Africa, to present a paper on climate change and its security effects, a case study of Nigeria, West Africa. This event, this conference has provided an insight for us to buttress the challenges of climate change from diverse backgrounds. For the fact that climate change is a topical global issue that requires immediate and urgent attention to remediate and to have a solution towards it. It calls for stakeholders across board to gather and, of course, share ideas and, of course, see possible ways of preferring solutions to climate change challenges in the entire world. I believe this should be a regular program, and more insights should be shared, of course. What we call other stakeholders to be part and parcel of this program is as important as any other thing in human life. When there is no safe environment, there won't be no life will be safe. When there is no security in any society, the environment will also suffer. So on that note, I thank the organizers and call upon other critical stakeholders in climate change projects to show partnership, show alliance towards achieving this goal of ours of solving, to a reasonable extent, the global climate change problems. Thank you.